So let's take a look at what's new in Structure Pro, which is exclusive to our premium members. So this is the download you get, and once you open it up, it'll still connect to the same database that you're used to, so you don't need to worry about re-implementing all of your shortcuts and all of your templates. So if we take a look, we have our documentation, you have the new Structure Pro version, but then you also have this new Structure menu. So what's that? You can set it to auto-open every time you start your computer, and this will give you immediate access to all of your template structures. So for example, let's say that I want to quickly create a new base template. I can simply come up here, click it, and now I have access to all of those templates. Additionally, I can grab content from the sites that I've set up in my content manager. So again, we're going to create a base template. Simply create it right here, and notice that it'll set the default folder exactly to the folder that you're in, and that saves a lot of time. That way you don't have to figure out what folder it needs to be stored. You can simply browse to that folder and immediately create the new directory. So let's try it. Base template, desktop, and now you can see it immediately creates that structure for us, and then at that point you can drag it into your editor of choice and you're all set to get started. Very cool. Again, let's say that we want to grab a new installation of CodeIgniter. Well, before you needed to go open the Structure program and then create it that way. This time you don't even have to open it. Simply go up here, get content from CodeIgniter, and we'll call it CI. And that's it. If you come up here, you'll see that it's downloading, and within maybe a second or two, that's already finished, and we have a fresh installation of CodeIgniter. That's so much faster. So let's take a look at some of the new features in Structure Pro. So if we go here, we can immediately see if we go to Preferences, there are a couple new options right here. One, automatically open project in Finder, and that's when you create a new directory, it'll auto-open the folder as you saw previously. Next, we have a new often requested feature, which is the ability to import and export databases. So let's say I want to export the existing database here. I'll say Jeff's DB. And now what you'll see is this will create an XML file. And what's nice about this is it's really easy to edit if you need to. And now you'll see right here. So what I could then do with this is send it to my friends, or I could add it to GitHub. And you can even import other database files. And it's as simple as going to File, Import Database, and you immediately have access to all of those templates and content. Now, additionally, with the regular version, you're still going to have access to the content manager, the ability to download files, the ability to add text to files that you create. There's so much power here, and it's even greater with Structure Premium and Structure Menu.